asi 3 roky sme fungovali v takomto...
And so we lived for 3 years in this mode.
Navonok dobrá kresťanská rodina.
From outside, good Christian family.
Každú nedeľu v kostole.
Every Sunday in church.
Úžasné deti.
Perfect kids.
Ale vo vnútri sme zažívali prázdnotu.
Emptiness.
Vedeli sme, že tam niečo chýba.
Something is missing.
A vtedy prišlo to prepojenie.
And in that time, the connection.
Ja som prišiel do života Gusto.
Gusto came in my life.
Horizontal line.
Yes.
A cez Gustika.
And through him,
som sa dostal do bodu.
I came to the point.
Že bol som na jednom stretnutí a Boh sa ma dotkol.
I was in some meeting and God touched me.
A dovtedy ja som mal Katku na prvom mieste v mojom rebríčku.
Before I got my wife, Katka was like first in my chart.
Myslel som si, že jej láska ku mne
I thought that her love to me
príde, keď jej urobím všetko, čo jej budem vidieť na
will
očiach.
come when I will do everything what I will see in her eyes. Yeah.
Ale čím ja som sa snažil,
And I tried harder and harder.
tým to bolo horšie.
Worse and worse.
A vtedy sa Boh dotkol mňa
But God touched my heart.
a stalo sa to, že som ho dal na prvé miesto.
And great thing happened. I lifted the
Navonok sa nič nezmenilo,
outside, nothing happened.
iba som mal Boha na prvom mieste
God was on the first place.
a moja manželka to cítila.
My wife recognized that
Pretože ja som ožil,
because I get alive
ja som mal radosť v srdci,
and I got joy.
a ona začala žiariť,
And she started to be jealous.
kto je ten, ktorý striedal moje miesto.
Who is the one who took my place?
Zároveň začala po ňom túžiť,
And she started to long for him
pretože vedela o mojej veľkej láske k nej.
because she knew about my great love to her.
Zistila, že musí byť úžasné to, po čom túžim viac ako po nej.
And she discovered that there must be something even better.
Yes.
A ona prišla k Bohu
And
tiež,
she came to God too.
ale stále ma neľúbila.
But she did not love me.
Túžila potom,
She was longing for that,
ale neľúbila.
but there was not that emotion.